Today we're checking out the Busy Bee Stationery subscription box. Now, I've done a couple other subscription boxes in the past, and spoiler alert, I was pleasantly surprised with this one. So let's check it out and see what they put inside. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings on Saturday. Now, this is not a Saturday, but I did receive this box in exchange for a free review. And as you know, or may not know, I have so many unboxings. I am booked all the way through July. So in order to fit this in and make it timely, I'm adding another review on a Sunday. Now, this box was not cheap. It was $39.95. I did receive a free box in exchange for an honest review, so I did not pay for it, so I'm not sure what the shipping is. They do offer price points though if you purchase a 3 or a 6-month subscription in advance. So if you like today's box, that might be a good idea for you. Now let's just go ahead and open it up and then talk about what's inside. I've seen this plain white box, but it does have a cute little sticker on here for Busy Bee. And it looks like, I'll go ahead and just take these out one by one. So it looks like we have a cute little pen. I'm not really familiar with this brand, but it's a fine tip pen, which I always like getting those. And we'll do a pen test in a minute because I think there's more pens in here. Nope, I lie. It's a pencil. It's a mechanical pencil and it's multicolor. So that's kind of cool. 8 marking colors in one convenient pen. It's kind of like, I can't remember, there was this pen in the 80s that was super popular. You'd buy it when you went to buy your 1980s Trapper Keeper, and inside there would be a pen. You could flick the colors down. So I'm not sure how to get the pen. Again, we'll just do the pen test at the end. All right, so it looks like inside here we have notes, notepads, and pencils. So it says there are 3 from American Crafts. I've actually never seen this. Let's pop this open. So it looks like there are 3 inside of here. Oh, I see. So they're like little notepads inside of here. Let me test. So let's try out this fine tip one first. And it's blue. I very much like this. It's cute. I had no idea it was blue. I guess that means it's blue. All right. So this is the multicolored pencil. So this is green pencil. So this is a little bit harder to write with, but I am not a pencil person. So it looks like you push that out. Let's see, how do I get another color? All right. No, green again. I clearly don't know how to use this. Oh wait, maybe I moved this. Yes, that's what I think I need to do. All right, I am not smart enough to figure out how to use this. I think you turn no, that's wrong. All right, well, I have no idea how to use this, so we're just gonna move on. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the Chamel Rub-On Pens. All right, so it looks like, oh, I think these are stickers. So let's try this. Oh yeah, so this way, I guess it's like fancy washi tape. Uh-oh, did I break it? Nope. Oh, what are you supposed to do with that? I don't know what to do with this. Shouldn't it just absorb it? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just breaking everything. All right, let's try the other one. There's another pen. So it looks like you can click them in and click them out. And then, oh yeah, this one works fine. And you can put, I guess, whatever is inside of there. Draw it wherever you need. It's much more convenient for washi tape. All right, let's get the plastic off. And I wonder if nope, they're not the same. They all have different designs. So this one says notes, and it kind of opens up like a box of, or a little packet of matches. It has a cute little pencil here at the bottom. Hello. And I guess you can, whoops, you can push the pencil right back in. All right, and it must have a little magnet inside there. Yep. And that kind of holds it closed. I don't know if you saw, it has a little design on there. And it looks like this is just kind of glued in. So when you're done, you would just toss this. And same thing over here. Open it up. It has a little design on the inside and a pencil. And this one too, a little design on the inside and a pencil. Oh, so this one is a grid. And I didn't even notice this. This one is just plain paper. And this one is lined. So you get 3 different options. All right, next one is Chamel rub-on pens. I've actually never heard of that. So easily add designs and fun patterns, gently press down and drag on paper, includes 2 pieces. All right. Welcome to Busy Bee. The theme for April is Explore. Heidi Swap, Chamel, Canoe, thanks for... Okay, so it looks like all these people put things in here. So, looks like that's it. All right, so we got some letter stickers from Chanel. Stickers, letters. I like getting numbers. I feel like that's very useful. Let's open this up and see what's inside. All right, so these are, I don't know if you can see that. They're kind of, they're shimmery. They're like silver with teal. And then you have some pink ones with gold. And then you have sort of multicolored ones for kids, same thing. And we have red ones with silver, and we have a mint with silver writing, a kind of blue, looks like there's little dots in there with gold letters, and then again, multicolored, and of course an alphabet, sort of, I guess it's a folder. I'm not really sure. Oh, I see. I get it. It's a folder to hold your stickers. I'm a little slow. All right. I love this. I think that's cute. Okay. Next we have Heidi Swap. Adventure, travel, discover, ultimate, explore, epic. So Heidi Swap stickers. And then we also have some rub-on foil kits. See instructions on the back. All right. I actually have the Heidi Swap Mink, but it looks like this you can just rub on with a, oh, here it is. Here's the steps. You just rub it on with a pen. You don't even need the Mink foil. Very cool. All right. First of all, A+ on getting really high quality products for this box. Most of the stationery supply subscription boxes that I have tried out in the past have been people sitting at home with their printer or their Cricut machine just printing and posting stuff. And I've complained that things were a little lower quality, and I could tell someone at home or maybe their 5-year-old cut them and put them in the box for them. So those were a huge disappointment. But Busy Bee Stationery's box was not a disappointment. Now, I don't know if I broke this product. I'm not sure what's going on. I wasn't able to use all of them. I still, even after the video, I could not figure out the colored pencil, so maybe I broke it. I don't know. However, I do like that they had Heidi Swap materials in here, and I also like that the notebooks came in different varieties, so it wasn't just a lined notebook. It was also, they had the grids and then the plain, and I just thought these were kind of cute and nice to have. Again, I love this pen. I really like these fine little pens. I think it's a 0.5 micron, maybe. Yeah, 0.5 millimeters. So I really like these small pens. I don't see them a lot. So the only thing that I would say I probably maybe didn't like is just that there could have been a little more packaging in the box to explain what I was getting and how to use it. But that could just be because I couldn't figure things out. Like the mechanical pencil, it was cute. I just couldn't figure it out. Same thing with these. I mean, they're very cool. I just need a little more direction maybe on how they work, or maybe just a picture. Kind of like, and I guess maybe that's not their fault, it's the manufacturer. Like the Heidi Swap, the rub-on foil kit. She has pictures that tell me exactly what to do. But overall, I think this was definitely worth $39.95. If I had paid for it, I would have been happy and I would have ordered more. And more importantly, I don't feel like they tried to home make things from their house that looked a little janky, and then I kind of felt cheated. So that is a big, huge plus, especially with subscription boxes when you call them stationery boxes. just something to think about. All right, I hope everyone is having a fabulous day, and I leave information below if you want to check out the Busy Bee stationery box. All right, I will see you guys, I guess, on Monday because it's Sunday.